Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to Excel print in one page. First, open your Excel workbook and identify the specific data you want to fit onto a single printed page. Carefully select this entire range of cells. Next, go to the Page Layout tab in the ribbon at the top of your screen. From there, locate the Print Area option and click on Set Print Area. This action tells Excel exactly what content you intend to print. Now, let's ensure everything fits perfectly. Within the Page Layout tab, click the small arrow in the bottom right corner of the Page Setup group to open the dialog box. On the Page tab, you'll see scaling options. The simplest way is to select Fit Sheet on one page. This automatically scales your content. For more control, you can manually set the scaling to a specific percentage, like 75%, to fine-tune the fit. To further optimize your printout, consider the page orientation. In the Page Setup dialog box, under the Page tab, you can select either Portrait or Landscape, depending on your data's dimensions. Next, move to the Margins tab. Here, you can reduce the top, bottom, left, and right margins to gain more space. You can also check the boxes to center your data on the page, both horizontally and vertically, for a professional look. Before hitting print, it's crucial to use the Print Preview feature. Go to File and then Print to see exactly how your sheet will appear. This step allows you to catch any last-minute adjustments needed. Confirm that all your selected data is neatly contained within a single page. Once you are satisfied with the layout and fit, simply click the Print button to send your perfectly formatted document to your printer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.